Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's recipe is very easy, simple pepperoni melts. Butter 15 gram. Apply butter on pan. Tortilla, cut from middle, 1. Mozzarella cheese as you required. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification. Capsicum, optional, add some. Pepperoni 8 slices or as you required. Mozzarella cheese as you required. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe. Fold a tortilla. Let me know from which city you are watching our video in comments below. I will thanks to everyone. Cover the lid and cook in low flame till cheese melt. Flip the side. Apply butter on the top. Oregano to pinch for sprinkling on top. Parmesan cheese some for sprinkling on top. Remove from pan. Ready to serve with your family and friends. Very tasty and crispy. I like it. You must try this recipe. Thanks for watching our video. Bye bye.